Well, I won't hesitate no more, no more.
Hey, Jason.
Hey, Jace.
Hi, Jason.
Hey, Jace.
Hi, Jason.
Jace. Yeah. Amigos.
So you heard about the script?
I didn't really.
So basically, you're just chilling out, and a manager comes in. He's gonna say, "Okay, you're doing a duet in Korea with a Korean artist."
A lot of people want to do it, so I call him in. And but Nanda Kinda in the Korea, you meeting, and basket happens very well.
And you're gonna make the decision after that. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
No problem.
Basically, Korean characters, they're gonna do, whatever they want to.
Bounce, 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 bounce.
And it's not gonna be pretty.
You're so cute.
Yo, brother A to Z.
Yo, what's up, big?
Yo, what time is it?
Haha. It's long.
J Park, he's one of our cast members. He's a very talented dancer and singer. Obviously, you're gonna be uncomfortable with what he's doing. Okay, so and this is Cursing Grandma. It's one of our characters, and it's very simple. She just curses at everyone.
Baby, I'm trying.
얘라 이 흐르새끼야 이 쌍놈의 흐르새끼가 어디서 스마일을 해 그냥 you take out.
So you're singing Lucky, but you somehow you look awkward, and you peeks off camera, and we don't know what's going on. But in the next cut, it reveals that Kim Jong-un is sitting next to you, and he's, like applauding.
Be coming home again.
J.K. Kim Dong-wook, he's a Korean soul singer, and this is gonna be a real one.
Even if the skies get rough, I can hand you all my love. Still looking up, still looking up.
Yes.
I'll hold you down.
SNL코리아 파이팅! 제이슨 무라즈 파이팅!
Hello.
Hello, hi. It's Jason Mraz. Please leave a message.
That's a good one.
Hello. Hi, it's Jason Mraz. Please leave a message.
Perfect.